Parang ito ang magandang bahay lang dito. Ano?
Eh, meron kasi silang restaurant eh.
Sila na?
Yung tita ba ganyan sa dagat? Yung bagang doon, yung hinintuan natin.
Ito kayo ng bahay ito.
Sa tita ba ganyan?
Bahay nila mix saan?
Doon baga dinaanan na natin. Uy, harapangin. I-introduce mo ang view.
Hey, good afternoon. This is Kabusao Camarines.
Parang hawak mo this is.
This is you see that part? That is the seashore. And this is our neighborhoods. That is our van.
Talaga, sa iyo.
The service of our batch, the fourth year seminarians from Holy Trinity College Seminary in Camarines Norte. And you see that guy, he is, make it closer. Yeah, he is Puse, Christian Puse. And out there, he,
Nobody's in there.
Nobody's there. Come here, get inside.
Sama ng gali.
We are in terrace.
Ano, Teres? Kaya yung ano?
This is Kimber's rest house.
Resort.
They are not yet here. Ano sila? Here. This is Ryan.
Her.
Mother Toti, you see? Mother Toti, JR. Viga.
Biga.
This guy is from Pili.
Pili.
The owner of our house.
What you mean, the owner with four wheels?
May-ari. This is Abiyog. Nag-play ng station. Come. Come here downstairs.
Up there?
Come here downstairs. Hi.
Introduce.
Puse, the one who we have seen. Ishmael, the son of Abraham. Aloy.
Dalai Lama.
Dalai Lama. And the Buddha.
The Buddha.
From
Budang
Tibet.
Payot
King. Nabudang malaking
The Buddha from India. Kaya't baga Buddha malaking mata.
Hello.
They are
Ay
playing
sa mga friends ni
Pusoy.
Kim.
Sama ng friends na naman.
What's this? Tongit? Tongit. Come here outside.
Ayusin mo English mo.
This is what I am saying.
What are you saying? Ang sama naman ang English mo.
Sorry. Kasi galing po ako sa ano eh.
Wala si Mark nag-aralis.
Let's buy some ice cream.
Nag-aralis sila Mark.
I know what I did. What? Yeah, I did. Ilan? Ilang pare? I cannot live without